Simply Earth makes DIY hair balms and oils easy. Yup, even easier than not being able to find the office stapler. The Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box gives you everything you need. It's easy to learn how to make your own hair mask and hair oils with Simply Earth's Recipe Box. This box will be your guide to making your own shiny hair mask, happy hair wax, and more. You'll unlock the power of nature with essential oils and natural ingredients to make your own natural hair products like this. No toxic ingredients allowed. You'll save money because we sell directly, cutting out the middleman. Plus, compare the cost of DIY products to store products. Yup. If you think making your own spa quality hair oils and hair balms is hard, you're wrong. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. 1, pure ingredients delivered right to your door. 2, follow simple tutorials and guides. 3, experience the joy of making your own natural products. I even created this super easy to follow guide to teach you more about the different ingredients in this month's box and give you a deep dive into the recipes. And a workshop. I know, we do too much.
High quality oils, pure.
Each month you get 4 oils and recipes and things to make your recipes.
13% of their profits go to ending human trafficking.
But warning, with a new theme each month, you'll master using natural ingredients and essential oils in a new way with every box. Click below to join the box that has over 6,000 5-star reviews to make your own DIY spa quality products in 10 minutes or less. Don't wait, this recipe box sells out fast! Yes, backed by our 60-day Earth-tastic guarantee. You heard that right, our essential oils are 100% pure, GCMS tested, guaranteed, and come from amazing farms like these. Free shipping, free big bonus box, essential oil hero course, exclusive discounts and recipe box rewards, a like-minded community, and VIP access to our new products. It's not just amazing, it's life-changing. Conquer your hair care problems naturally by getting Simply Earth's DIY hair care box today. And don't worry, it's commitment free so you can pause or cancel at any time. You'll learn how to use Simply Earth's Head Soothing Blend, Happy Joy, Ylang, and Cedarwood essential oils to create luxurious hair care products. And with this month's DIY hair care box, you get this amber spray bottle, argan oil, which is amazing for your hair, this paperboard push-up tube, which is perfect for holding your happy hair wax recipe. Over 10,793 people can't be wrong. Get your box today.